Welcome to live chat, remember, okay. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my live chat. This is the Igbo teacher. Compliments of the season. You are all welcome to my live chat. Who is online with me? Who is online with me? Join me, let's chat. You are all welcome to today's live chat. How are we all doing? Trust we are good. How are we preparing for Christmas? How are we preparing for Christmas? If you join, you drop a comment, you give this live a thumbs up. That is the only way I will know who has joined me. Hey, how is everything for those of us in Nigeria? With the recent happenings in Nigeria, the news of stampedes, deaths, in fact hunger, giveaway, and the rest of them. How good in Obodo? How are we coping with all this happening around us? How are we coping with what is happening around us? Trust we are not discouraged. Okay, in this life we are going to discuss is going to be, we are going to chat. It's going to be on interactive base. Yes, we are going to interact with each other. Then I'll drop tips on safety, especially during this period we are in. You are all welcome. Thanks for joining my live. Please drop a like, give this live a thumbs up as you are joining. So I'll be looking down. Whenever you see me looking down, maybe I'm trying to pick a point. Okay, you're welcome. Thanks for joining me. So in this, for those of us in Nigeria, okay, Coco Lover, you're welcome. Hello from Texas. You're welcome, my Texas friend. Hi. You're welcome. Thanks for joining me. Give this live a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section as you're joining. So in this live today, we are going to discuss tips on how to be safe, especially around this time, around this celebration time. For those of us that reside in Africa, mostly Nigerians, we have to be very careful with what is happening around us. Celsic. Thanks for that compliment. Hi, I can see you. You're welcome. Thanks for joining me. So, what are the supposed tips, the safety tips we are supposed to take this period with what is happening around us? We have to be extremely careful, very, very careful, very careful. One has to be very, very careful. Tip number one for safetyness in this Christmas season. You have to do not put yourself under pressure of any kind. Do not put yourself under pressure of any kind, or put those around you or any other person under pressure of any kind because of the economic situations of things now. Just manage what you have. Manage what you have. Manage what you can afford with your household. Don't put yourself under pressure. Whatever you see, manage it with your family. We can carry guns legally. Yeah. No, don't carry guns. We don't have to carry guns. God will make all things to work out for us. So what am I saying? I say we should manage whatever you and your household can afford. Manage whatever you and your household can afford. And be grateful to God. At least we are alive. Life is the most essential thing in all things in life. So whatever you see this period, whatever you can afford, manage it. Don't put yourself under pressure. Don't pressurize people around you just to meet up, just to be like others. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2. Okay, thanks for joining. Please drop a like. Give this live a thumbs up as you are joining. Give this live a thumbs up as you are joining, and drop a comment for me in the comment section. So tip number 2, tip number 2, things are difficult. Yes, everybody knows that things are difficult, and it's globally. It's not just in Nigeria. It's globally. It's globally. It's everywhere. It's not just in Africa or just in Nigeria. It's globally. So we should learn to manage. We should learn to manage. We should learn to do with whatever we have within our reach, so that at the end of the day we will not end up falling into one problem or the other. Tip number 2, avoid unnecessary visits and mind whatever you eat. Maintain food safety. Unnecessary visits, not every visit or every invite is necessary. So those unnecessary visits, avoid them. Avoid them. And mind what you eat. If you must attend, you be careful of what you eat. Maintain food safety. Going to work. Stay safe everywhere. Okay, thank you. Texas 39. Thank you. And do have a nice time. So, maintain, if you must attend that visit, that invite, you mind what you eat there. Avoid food poisoning and avoid eating too much. Avoid eating unnecessarily. There are things that you are not supposed to eat. Some people, they can eat anyhow. Anything that comes their way, they will eat. Mind what you eat. Some people, their name is Kamoga Donite, Kodronafo. Instead of this food to waste, or instead of me to leave this food here, I must finish everything. I must eat everything. Kamoga Donite, Kodronafo. So instead of you to go and do Kamoga Donite, Kodronafo, you eat, and land yourself into problems. It's better you avoid eating at all, so that you will remain safe at the end of this Xmas celebration. Tip number 3. Do not disclose your plans. If you are going to travel, do not disclose your plans to anyone. Do not disclose your plans, your traveling plans or your movements to anyone. To anyone. Makande kidna. Yes. Makande gene kidna. Let me not call it to the end. Do not disclose your traveling plans, if you must travel, or your movements to anyone, except people around you, except your immediate family members. Mind who you disclose. In fact, do not disclose at all, not even minding. Do not disclose, for your safety and that of your family members. Do not disclose. Tip number 4. Tip number 4. Drive safely. Drive safely. Do not drink and drive. That is number 1. Number 2, maintain appropriate driving limits. Maintain appropriate driving limits. Do not drink and drive. Some people are fond of drinking and driving. When they are under the influence of alcohol, you will see them driving, and they will be on speed, on a very high speed. Do not drink and drive. Do not drink and drive. Please, I'm begging you. so that we will all meet ourselves together at the end of this Xmas celebration. It's just a one-day celebration. It's just a one-day celebration. So be careful so that you will still live to celebrate more Christmas to come. Tip number 5 for the guys. This one is especially for the guys. If you are a guy, do not drink. For the guys, be mindful of your drinks at this period. Be mindful of your drinks. Avoid asking some kind trusted friends, in quotes, some kind trusted friends to watch over your drinks. Ịmara asụ ịsụọ n'ikwe, ịmara asụ ịsụọ n'ala. Avoid leaving your drinks to anyone. If you must visit the restroom, finish your drinks before going. Don't say, okay, help me take care of these drinks. I want to visit the restroom. Finish it before going. Don't skip your drinks in care of anybody. That's tip number 5. Tip number 6. Be mindful of fire outbreaks. Yes, because of the weather. If you are in Nigeria, you know that the weather has been very harsh. We're already in Harmattan. Everywhere is so dry and harsh. So be mindful of fire outbreaks. Those using fireworks, decorations, should be very careful how they use it. Even cooking, yes, even cooking. Some people that use matches to light their gas, when they on it, you will see them dropping it without ensuring it's inside the trash bin, without ensuring they put it off. Please be mindful of fire outbreaks at this period. Even when you are cooking, be mindful of your gas. Be mindful of your kids being in the kitchen. Be mindful of fire outbreaks. That is tip number 6. Then tip number 7. You're welcome to my life. Please kindly give me a like. Drop a comment in the comment section. You're welcome to my life. Drop a comment in the comment section. If you are following, drop it in the comment section. If you have a question, drop it in the comment section, or contributions. You know, this is a chatting section, it's a discussion section. Let's not make it one-sided. Let's make it interactive. Let's make it interactive. More likes, please. More likes, more likes, more likes, more likes. More likes. 20 people joined, 22 people joined initially. And I'm seeing only 5 likes. Please, as you are joining, drop a like. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Then tip number 7. Safety tip number 7. For those of us that have kids, please watch over your children at this period. Please watch over your kids. Watch over your kids. Watch over your kids. Do not be carried away by the celebration, especially when you are away. When you people go for outings or occasions, please watch over your kids. Ensure they are always beside you. Ensure they are always where you can sight them. Please take proper care of your kids at this period. Then tip number 8. Manage stress. Biko. Manage stress. Please. Don't overwhelm yourself. Don't overwork yourself. Please. Especially those ones with those stress that comes with I call them economical stress. Those ones that comes with our economic situation. Please learn, manage it. Manage it. Don't be overwhelmed by the situation of things in Nigeria. Don't be overwhelmed by the high cost of living in Nigeria or high price of things in Nigeria. Manage the stress. When you are tired, for mothers, you take a break. Please, for your health and mental well-being. When you are tired, you take a break. When you are tired, you take a break. Welcome to my life. Welcome to my life. Oh, you're all welcome to my life. Please, let's make this life an interactive one. Let's make it an interactive one. I thought I did not blend very well. Yes, as you are joining, drop a like in the comment section. Is there any question? Any questions so far? Drop a like in the comment section. Drop a comment in the comment section. So far, do you have any question from what we have discussed so far? At least we have discussed 8 tips on how to be safe this Christmas period. Thank you. Thanks for the likes. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you have any contributions, any suggestions as you are joining? If you have been with us since we started, please drop a comment in the comment section. Then tip number 9. This one is very important, especially now in this country. People are going through a lot of things. People are going through hardship. People are going through hunger. So many things. But God will help us. For those that have, those that have excess or little. For those that have, in fact, those planning events should take proper proactive measures for safety. Those planning events at this period, if you are planning any kind of giveaway or any kind of activity, Christmas 24th night church evening mass and nights programs, please take proper proactive measures for safety. In fact, I pray God will guide us on 31st, yes, on Passover nights. On Passover nights in our own gathering, because the crowd is always too much. The crowd is always too much. I pray for safety. There will be safety in that gathering on that day, that Passover night. So those that are planning any kind of events, be it wedding, because people will surely come because of situation of things in Nigeria. Though even those you did not invite, once they see there is canopy or there is music somewhere or there is any celebration somewhere, passers-by will even stop to collect food to eat because of what? Hunger in the country. Please take proper proactive measures for safety. If you are planning any kind of event, so that at the end of the day, ogogage butere go okwu. According to Igbo adage, ka ihe hapụ eji enyo anyo zoro azoro or ime ogo mere okwu. So let's be careful the way we trend this period. Very, very careful. Let's be very careful the way we trend, please. Any question? Any contributions, any suggestions? Give me some like, please. I need more likes. More likes, more likes, more likes. More likes. As you are joining, drop a comment in the comment section. Any questions so far? Any contribution? I'm waiting for your comments. I'm waiting for your comments. Drop your comments in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is the Igbo Teacher Life. The Igbo Teacher Life. Then, the most important of all is to show love at this period of time and share the little or the excess you have with people around you. Share the little or the excess you have with the people around you. Please, there is so much hunger in this country. People need help. People need assistance. Let's reach out in the little we can. Let's reach out to people at this period of celebration of joy and love. As we are celebrating Christ, let's celebrate one another by reaching out to those in need, by reaching out to those we are better off. Those people you think that you are better than, please reach out to them with whatever you have. No matter how little it might be or it could be, please share with others. Share with the less privileged. Share with people around you, the hopeless and the helpless ones around you. Look around, you find people that you are better off in your area or in your surrounding, and do something for them. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for joining my life. Thank you for joining my life. Drop a comment in the comment section as you are joining. Before we leave, we'll quickly do a recap of what we have discussed so far. A recap of what we have discussed so far. Mind you, I said we should not put ourselves under pressure. We should not put ourselves or others, people around us, husbands, wives, especially the mothers. Do not put your husbands under pressure at this time. Manage whatever you can afford. Manage whatever you can afford. Hence there is life, there is hope. Hence there is life, there is what? Hope. Manage whatever you can afford. Please, do not put anyone around you under pressure. Do not put anyone around you under pressure. Number 2, tip number 2, I said we should avoid unnecessary visits. Unnecessary visits. And if you must attend that visit, be mindful of what you eat there. Be mindful of what you eat. And be mindful of avoid food poisoning. Avoid food poisoning. Avoid eating whatever that comes your way. Please be selective. Yes. Be disciplined and what? Selective. Is there anything that comes your way this period you must eat for your safety and health? Is there anything that comes your way you must eat? Please. Then tip number 3, I said you should not disclose. You should not disclose your whereabouts or your movements to anyone, even extended families. Even extended families. Be careful of who you disclose your movements to at this period, especially those that are traveling. If you are traveling down to the east this time around, be very careful. Be very careful. And do not keep late nights. Do not keep late nights. Then tip number 4, I said we should, those that are driving should drive safely. Don't drink and drive. Do not drink and drive. Drive safely. Maintain the appropriate speed limits. Maintain the appropriate speed limits, please. Then for the guys, this one is the most important. For the guys, do not leave your dream to any friend. Do not leave your drink in care of any friend. If you want to visit the restroom, or if you must leave your table or that gathering for 1 minute, do not leave your drink to anybody. Go along with your drinks. Go along with your drinks, or you finish it before going. Finish your drinks before visiting any place. Do not leave it in care of anybody. Please. Be mindful of fire outbreaks. We are in Harmattan season already. If you are living in Nigeria, please be mindful of fire outbreaks. Those that are using fireworks, those that are doing decorations in their buildings, in their houses, please be mindful of fire outbreak. Know the kind of electrical connections you will do to avoid fire outbreak. Please, even in your kitchen, maintain safety in the kitchen. Do not allow your kids to run around in the kitchen while cooking. Maintain kitchen safety. Number 7, I said you should watch over your kids, especially when you people are not around the home. When you go for outings, take care of them. Let your eyes always be on them. Monitor them. Monitor what they are doing. Do not be carried away with Xmas celebrations, please. And again, manage stress. Don't overwork yourself. Don't overstress yourself. Don't overthink. Place everything in God's hand. He will take care of everything. He knows how to take care of us the best. Place everything in His hand. Place everything in God's hand. Then take a break when there is a need for a break. Please, for the mothers, take a break when there is a need for break. Take a break. Relax your mind. Relax your body for your safety and mental health. Take a break. You must not finish that work in a day. You must not finish that house chores in a day. Especially those mothers without any domestic help. Do the one you can. If your husband cannot help out, you do the one your strength can carry and leave the remaining. Do the one your strength can carry and leave the remaining ones. Please. So that at the end of the day, we will all come back to, we will all witness 2025 safely without losing anyone. Without losing anyone. Number 10 tip, the 10th one, stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. Always drink water. You know the weather is very harsh and dry. Use moisturizers on your body and stay hydrated. Drink water. Enough water. Always drink enough water. Always drink enough water. The weather is so harsh. In fact, this year's Harmattan in Nigeria is on the high side. Everywhere is dusty. Everywhere is something else. If you must use a nose cover, please zoom. So many are suffering from cough and catarrh. If you must use a nose cover or face cover, please zoom for your health. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for being with me all through this life. This is where we will call it a day. See you in my next life. See you in my next life. Have a wonderful and safe Christmas celebration. We have few hours left. Few hours to Christmas. And my prayer is that the Lord Almighty will be with us, guide us, protect us. We shall not witness any evil. In Jesus' name. Bye.